In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sweep in Fusion 360. A sweep is perfect when you want a shape to travel along a path, like a wire following a route or a custom molding wrapping around an edge. To make it work, Fusion 360 needs two separate sketches, one for the profile, which is the shape you're sweeping, and one for the path, which is the line it follows. We'll start with the profile. Begin a new sketch on a convenient plane, such as the front or top plane. Draw the shape you want to sweep. This is often a closed shape like a circle or rectangle, but it can be any closed profile. Add dimensions so the size is precise. This helps avoid errors later. Keep in mind that the sweep will maintain this cross-section along the entire path, so choose a size that makes sense for the tightest turns you plan to make. When your profile is ready, click Finish Sketch to lock it in. Next, create the path. Start a new sketch, this time on a plane that is perpendicular to the first one. Perpendicular simply means the planes meet at a right angle, which gives Fusion 360 the proper orientation to start the sweep. On this second sketch, draw the line, arc, or spline you want the profile to follow. Make sure the path is one continuous chain and doesn't have tiny gaps or overlaps. If you're lining it up with your profile, use sketch constraints like coincident or tangent to keep things tidy. When you're happy with the route, click Finish Sketch. Now open the Sweep tool, go to the Solid tab, choose Create, and then select Sweep. The Sweep dialog will ask for two things, the profile and the path. Click the Profile selector and pick the shape you sketched first. Then click the Path selector and choose your path sketch. You should see a live preview of the swept body. If the preview looks twisted or fails, check that your profile and path are truly on separate sketches and that the path isn't too sharp for the chosen profile size. Before you confirm, glance at the operation type. Join will merge with existing solids, new body creates a separate part, and cut removes material if you're sweeping through an existing body. If you're just practicing, new body is a safe choice. When everything looks right, click OK to create the sweep. That's it. 2 sketches, 1 sweep. If you run into issues, simplify the path, reduce the profile size, and make sure the sketches are clean and perpendicular. Thanks for watching and happy modeling.